In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot on Android. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here to your Google Play Store and click onto the search bar. Click onto the search and search right here for Copilot. You should be able to find Microsoft Copilot application, so proceed to install it and after that, click on Open. This should be able to open the application in here. So in there, you can just send some message using your Copilot. So for example, what is the time zone of America or specifically New York? You can send that and ask them some questions and also have Copilot do some things for you. You can see in here some sources, so that's actually a really good thing to consider. You can also click on this plus icon in order to help generate image, attach some photos, start deep research, creating podcasts, and starting a quiz directly from your Copilot. So there's actually a lot of things that you can do with this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.